Hello everyone, this is Navneeta. Now we are going to study the topic from refraction of light at plane surfaces. Now observe this picture closely. Now here the observer is observing a tree. In front of him a big tree is there. So on hot summery day he is travelling on the road. So he saw that a tree in front of him. So there is no pool at nearby him, even though he is observing the shimmery and reflection of tree. So how he is able to see the reflection of the tree on the surface of the earth or ground? Yes. To find out the reason, first of all, we need to learn about internal reflection. So here, the interface line is separating the two mediums. One is the rarer medium and one is the denser medium. Here the rarer medium is the air medium and denser medium is the glass medium. So when light ray is entering from air medium to glass medium, that is rarer medium to denser medium, we know that the refracted ray moves towards the normal. As you can see in this picture, the refracted ray moves towards the normal. So here the angle I represents angle of incidence, that is between incident ray and normal, and angle R represents angle of refraction, that is between normal and refracted ray. Yes, so when the light ray is travelling from one medium to another medium, at the separating of interface between them, we know that there the refraction will be takes place. Yes, so here the rarer medium to denser medium light ray is travelling. So remember that when the light ray is travelling from rarer medium to denser medium, here the refracted ray moves towards the normal. And here when the light ray is travelling from denser medium to rarer medium, yes, so this is the denser medium and this is the rarer medium here. So now the light ray is travelling from denser medium to rarer medium. So this time the refracted ray moves away from the normal. You can see here. Yes, the angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence here, because the refracted ray is moving away from the normal when the medium is changed. That too here the light ray is travelling from denser medium to rarer medium. So look at here one simple activity to understand more about total internal reflection. So now here we are taking glass slab. Yes, so this one curved glass slab we are taking here. On the paper we are drawing angles by using of protractor. So now through the laser light we are entering the light from one medium to another medium. So here the light ray is parallel on the both sides. Now here when we are increasing the incident angle, on one medium the light ray is travelling in a straight line. On the curved surface the light ray is travelling in straight line. Yes, when it is changing the medium, here the bending of light rays takes place. Again in another medium it is travelling in straight line. Yes. Now, so when we are increasing the incident angle continuously, the refracted ray is moving away from the normal here. So this is the denser medium and this is the rarer medium here. So you can see here when the light ray is travelling from glass medium to air medium, we are increasing the incident angle continuously here. So here the refracted ray is moving away from the normal. Yes, you can see. So it is coming nearer to the interface line. Yes. Now at some point the light ray is bending in a same medium. That means we will observe the reflection of light in the same medium. When we are increasing the light ray continuously, we will observe the reflection of light in the same medium. You can see here. Yes. So here, when the angle of incidence is continuously increased, we observe that the angle of reflection, not refraction. Yes. So here in same medium we are observing the reflection of light. So this is known as total internal reflection. Yes. So here the reflection takes place, not refraction. You can see here. Yes. So here it is parallel to the incident angle. So here the angle of incidence is equals to the angle of reflection. Yes, we are not considering here refraction because the light ray is entering into the same medium and the angle of incidence is equals to the angle of refraction when we are increasing the angle of incidence continuously. So you can see here, when the light ray is entering from denser medium to rarer medium, we can say that the refracted ray moves away from the normal. Yes, at some point the angle of incidence is further increased. We observe that the refracted ray is grazes at the interface. You can see here. We are observing the refracted rays grazes at the interface line. Yes, so here the angle of refraction equals to 90 degrees. Yes, this is perpendicular to the normal. So we can take here the angle of refraction equals to 90 degrees. So we can say that the angle of incidence equals to C, nothing but critical angle. Yes, so when we increase the angle of incidence continuously, then the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. That means we observe the light ray in same medium. The bending of light ray takes place in the same medium. So when the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, we will observe the internal reflection. In the same medium, we will observe the reflection of light. Yes, there is no refraction takes place in the another medium. So when the light ray enters into another medium, then only we can say that the refraction takes place there. So here, after increasing of critical angle, we can say that there the light ray is internally reflects. So here in the denser medium only the light ray is reflecting. So here the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. So here what are the conditions for total internal reflection? So we have two conditions to total internal reflection. So that is light must travel from denser medium to rarer medium. Yes, so we will not observe when the light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium. There is no total internal reflection. And angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. So then only we can observe the total internal reflection in the same medium when the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. So the angle of incidence must be greater than critical angle. Then only we can observe the total internal reflection, and the mediums are from denser medium to rarer medium. So now what is the mystery behind this is, so here you can see the observer is observing the reflection of tree on the surface of the ground. Why here? So when we move top of the earth, we observe that their temperature is decreases continuously. So here yes, so here when we move from bottom layer to the top layer, so the temperature is continuously decreases. There the density is more. Yes, so here there will observe the cool air. Yes, you can see here from top to bottom the temperature is continuously increases. Yes, so here at the bottom of the surface the hot air will be present. On the surface of the road, so up on the surface we'll observe the hot air. So here when the light ray is traveling from at the top of the layer to the next layer, so we can observe that here the temperature is less and here the temperature is more. On top of the first layer the temperature is less and top of the second layer is the temperature is more when compared to these two. Yes, the density on the first layer is more and the density on the second layer is less. So here you can see here this is the interface between two layers. So when the light ray is traveling from top layer to the bottom layer, we will observe that the refracted rays moves away from the normal and that is continuously changing. Yes, at some point we will observe that the light ray is graduates at the interface. So that is reaches to the observer eye. That means the light ray is enters into the same medium. So here the light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. At the top of the air that is the denser medium and at the bottom of the earth is the rarer medium. Yes, so here the light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. We know that when we are increasing the incident angle continuously, at some point the light ray is graduates at the interface, that is a critical angle. If we are further increasing the incident angle than critical angle, we will observe the light rays entering into the same medium. That means the reflection of light takes place. So the same concept is here. So here the total internal reflection takes place on the same medium. So that light ray passes to the observer eye. Yes, so the observer can see the straight line path. That's why the observer is observing that the reflection of light, that means reflection of the tree on the surface of the earth. So in the same way he observed the pond at nearby him. So here, due to total internal reflection, yes, so here the light ray enters on the observer eyes. So he observed the straight line path. He observed the light ray in straight line path. So that's why the observer is observed the reflection of tree. That means he assumed that the pond is there on the hot summery day due to total internal reflection. So this we call as a mirage. Yes, so this is called mirage.